So, hi Danny. This should give you a better understanding what's going on by replacing the power supplies. So I think this is something you might see on your extenders. This is the old-fashioned power supply we built in the systems till I think end of 2009. So to disassemble is quite simple. Please make sure you have disconnected the power supplies and be afraid of there's still some power sometimes in the alcoves of these units, so please handle with care or take some minutes off for the unit to lose all remaining power in the alcove. So first of all, simply disassemble or dismount these two cables. This is the AC power cable, so simply take this off, take the DC off, and now you have to dismount these four screws. So this should be simple in the end. Let's see. Okay, the different power supplies have a slightly different footprint. So the new power supply I already sent you does not match 100% the same way with the mounting holes like this one, so it will be a little bit tighter, but still working. So take this one off. Let's see. The new power supply should look like this one here. So it uses, compared to the old one, it uses a 6-pin outlet, only 4 applied, and this one has a 4-pin outlet. So this is the reason why you have to use the special cable we sent you, otherwise it will not fit. So simply assemble the 4 screws again, and you will just see. Do not tighten them all the way down, because the different footprint, otherwise you will not be able to get all 4 screws tightened here. So all the way down up to the last screw. Okay, so this is it. Connect the DC power to the regular input here on the board. Store the cable. Same for the AC. And that's it. So there's nothing more to do, no heat sinks or any stuff. Just make sure you connected everything the right way. And be careful of the AC power while doing this. And as I mentioned before, the old power supply may still contain some power in the alcoves. So yeah, that's it.